What's up, everybody? I hope you guys had a good weekend. Let's hit the ground running this week talking about computers, technology, and comparing it to our brain and how chiropractic can help unleash the power of that brain. Now, we have the ability to learn and adapt and to form new connections in our brain that can persist for the future as long as those connections don't become disturbed by any bad feedback. Our computers can also do this through applications, through new programs, but they are susceptible to bad information as well, and that comes from viruses. A lot of the times they can either just remove the function of that one application, or they can spread to the entire computer until you have to throw it out. Now, our brain gets bad information from our spine, which transmits balance, posture, and allows our brain to perceive our external environment and control our internal environment based on that. Now, if it's not getting the right feedback, whether there's subluxations, trauma in your spine, toxins, negative thoughts, those 3 T's we always talk about, the brain can't get the right information. So then it can't regulate our internal environment. But you don't have to go out and buy a new brain. You can just get adjusted. This literally restores the function of your spine, restoring that proprioceptive input, letting the brain get a better picture of how our body is operating. That way we can function better internally and add life to our years. Now, this week, I don't want to talk at people. I want to have conversations. I want your offices to get noisy. Let's try this week. Have a good one.